Hello everyone and welcome to Defense Shows. I Kiran. So in today's class we will learn 10 new words with their meanings, synonyms, antonyms and after its sentence formation. It is useful for all defense examination and competitive examination. So here we go. Okay. So the first word is allied. देखो allied you might have heard many time. ठीक है हम बोलते हैं ना alliance. Alliance क्या होता है? Group. ठीक है alliance is group. So allied is an adjective which means association or associated. Alright. So synonym would be related or connected. देखो ये ना ग्रुप से रिलेटेड हम बोलते हैं ना अलाइंस ऑफ दिस पार्टी अलाइंस ऑफ दैट पार्टी. ठीक है वो क्या होता है? एसोसिएशन होता है, रिलेशन होता है और एक कनेक्शन होता है. सो दीज आर द सिनोनिम्स. ऑल राइट. तो इसका ऑपोजिट क्या हो जाएगा? अनरिलेटेड, जो कि बिल्कुल भी रिलेटेड नहीं है, एक जैसे नहीं है. तो वो क्या है? डिफरेंट है. और हम इसका डिफरेंस भी इंटोनिम बोल सकते हैं. ऑल राइट. So the example would be members of the medical and allied professions were gathered means members of the medical, all right, and associated profession like nursing, dentist, ठीक है, dental. These are the allied group of medicine, right. So the next word is protract. See, protract मतलब होता है कोई चीज़ को prolong करना. ये क्या है? verb है. ठीक है. अलाइड क्या थी? एडजेक्टिव था. एंड प्रोट्रैक्ट क्या है? वर्ब है विच मीन्स प्रोलॉन्ग करना, एक्सटेंड करना, ड्रॉ आउट करना, विच ऑल मीन्स टू प्रोलॉन्ग द थिंग. ठीक है. सो ऑपोजिट वुड बी कर्टेल. कर्टेल मतलब जैसे कर्ट होता है ना छोटा, सॉर्ट आउट, सॉर्ट डाउन करना. ठीक है उसमें क्या बोलते हैं? कर्टेल बोलते हैं. एंड शॉर्टन. ऑल राइट. नाउ लेट्स सी द एग्जाम्पल. ही हैड सर्टेनली टेकन दिस टाइम even protracting the process means he had certainly taken this time even prolonging the process. All right. अगर curtail होता तो क्या हो जाएगा? shortening the process होता. All right. So the next word is, it is entrench. ठीक है. entrench is also in verb which means किसी चीज़ में इन्वॉल्व होना, शामिल करना. synonym would be implicate, embroil. Right. So what does implicate means? implicate means होता है it is so to be involved in a crime or any other activity. उसमें क्या बोलता है? इन्वॉल्व होना, इंटैंगल होना. synonym would be implicate and embroil. all right. antonym would be steer and clear off. Now let's see the example. They were suspicious of becoming entangled in a civil war means they were suspicious of involving in a civil war. all right. So the next word is disassemble. Disassemble is in verb which means dismantle. all right. synonym would be take apart and pull apart. so इसका opposite would be assemble and put together. देखो this किसी चीज़ को assemble करना, ठीक है, इकट्ठा करना होता है. so take apart and pull apart are the synonyms of disassemble. Disassembles, right. so opposite would be assemble and put together. Now let's see the example. The piston can be disassembled for transport means the piston can be dismantled means pull apart for the transport. all right. so the next word is evasive. evasive is an adjective which means कोई चीज़ को क्या करना? टालना. ठीक है, is known as evasive. all right. so evasive, now understand in a better manner, it is tending to avoid commitment or self realization, especially by responding only indirectly. all right. synonym would be elusive and ambiguous. ठीक है, elusive and ambiguous. so elusive here means difficult to find, catch or achieve. ठीक है. and ambiguous means open to more than one interpretation means not having any one obvious meaning. obvious here means a clear out meaning. ठीक है. so opposite would be frank and clear. Now let's see the example. She was evasive about her phone number means she was ambiguous about her phone number means was not clear about her phone number. ठीक है. so the next word is, it is vigor. vigor is a noun which means it is like shakti. ठीक है, some type of power, physical strength and good health is known as vigor. vigor का synonym क्या हो जाएगा? robustness, hardiness and strength. Now let's see the opposite. It would be weakness. Now let's see the example. They set about the new task with vigor means they set about the new task with strength. ऑल राइट, रोब्यूसनेस मतलब क्या होता है? द क्वालिटी और कंडीशन ऑफ बीइंग स्ट्रांग एंड इन अ गुड कंडीशन इज नोन एज रोब्यूसनेस. सी द नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज पैथोज. यू माइट हैव हर्ड पैथोलॉजी. ठीक है, लॉजी मतलब तो स्टडी होता है, बट व्हाट डज पैथो मीन्स? पैथो मतलब होता है इट इज लाइक सफरिंग. ठीक है, और इन्फेक्शन. ठीक है, उसमें पैथोज मतलब क्या होता है? सिंपली सफरिंग से रिलेटेड है. ये किससे रिलेटेड है? सफरिंग से रिलेटेड है, राइट? सो synonym would be tragedy and sadness. ठीक है, and poignancy. Poignancy here means the quality of evoking a keen sense of sadness or regret. All right, so the opposite would be fortune and joy. ठीक है, fortune and joy. Now let's see the example. The actor inject his customary humor and pathos into the role. Means the role which he has given, he added humor and pathos. Pathos here means sadness in the role. All right. So the next word is noteworthy. कोई चीज़ noteworthy कब होती है? जो क्या क्या होती है? सिग्निफिकेंट होती है, नोटेबल होती है, एंड द थिंग इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? नोट वर्थी बोलते हैं. और राइट, सो ऑपोजिट वुड बी बोरिंग. ठीक है, अनएक्सेप्शनल. कोई चीज़ एक्सेप्शनल नहीं है, नॉर्मल है. ठीक है, वो क्या होती है? वो नोट वर्थी नहीं होती है. सो दिस in this way it is the antonym of noteworthy. Now let's see the example. The policy has some noteworthy feature. Means the policy has some boring features. No, not boring. The policy has not some boring features. They have some significant feature. All right. So the next word is enforce करना. Enforce मतलब कोई चीज़ हम बोलते हैं ना, the duty has been enforced means कंपल्सरी है. ठीक है, ऑब्लिगेटरी है, मैंडेटरी है. सो ऑपोजिट वुड बी वॉलेंट्री है. ओके, इफ यू वांट टू डू, ओके, डू इट, नो प्रॉब्लम. इफ यू डोंट डू इट. सो this is the meaning of voluntary. All right, now let's see the example. There is no outside agency to enforce cooperation between the players. Means there is no outside agency to enforce, ठीक है, to compulsory cooperation between the players. All right, then the next word is peril. Peril here means it is a noun which means danger. That's saying the person or a situation which is in danger. ठीक है, उसमें क्या बोलते हैं? danger. Peril. Peril is a noun. ठीक है, synonym would be it is risk and jeopardy. ठीक है, jeopardy मतलब होता है it is like exposure to or immense of death, loss or injury, danger placing their life in jeopardy work. ठीक है, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? peril. ठीक है, रिस्क होता है. सो ऑपोजिट वुड बी सेफ्टी. नाउ लेट्स सी द एग्जाम्पल. यू कुड वेल प्लेस अस बोथ इन peril means you could well place us both in danger. Okay, so here we have completed the 10 new words of today. Hope you like this session. If you like this session, don't forget to like it, share it and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Be safe. Keep learning. Jai Hind.